After watching this video you will be able to understand what are whitefish. Whitefish is a freshwater fish that lives near the seafloor that is commonly called Atlantic cod, halibut or flounder. Whitefish, when cooked, are dry and compared to other fishes, the flesh of the whitefish is completely white. Generally, whitefish have silvery scales and stretched numbfish-like body and measures about a foot in length. Before having more information about what are whitefish, subscribe to my channel for more latest videos. Facts about the whitefish. Whitefish can be classified into different, unique species that can easily be identified according to their appearance and where they live. One well-known whitefish is the halibut, a popular fish in Norwegian culture that signifies prosperity. A yellowtail flounder is found all over the east coast of the US to the Atlantic coast and Northeast Asia. In Japan, flounder is the raw ingredient in sashimi, and China, it is served steamed with ginger and garlic as the main seasoning. Whitefish can either be served raw, baked or steamed. Alaska, the world's halibut fishing capital, has their unique recipe in making halibut and prawn basket dipped in a special batter and lemon juice. Behavior and diet of the whitefish. Petting a whitefish is never a good idea because they needed a larger environment and they usually stay in cold, deep waters and only go up for food. Some species of this group live in freshwater while others, once they reached adulthood, would transfer to oceans. Whitefish also have different sets of diets according to their size. Planktons, small shrimps and larvae are the young ones' favorite, while adults love to eat small fish, clams and other small water insects. How to get the best whitefish. Whitefish has a provincial flavor, that's why it has been accepted in many countries, despite its bland, dry meat. This fish is usually mildly flavored, inexpensive, and can be cooked in various methods such as baking, frying, soup, and chowder. Things to note before buying whitefish. Number 1. Before buying, note freshness and thickness. When buying it, always take the initiative to ask the vendor for a fresh fish because fish is easily spoiled. Then, always weigh it and note that the thickness of the fish defines the number of minutes you are about to cook it. Number 2. Note color of whitefish. As stated above, whitefish are generally bland and white, so when you see that the color is a little bit darker, it's not fresh anymore. What are whitefish? Conclusion. Because of the popularity of the whitefish, both for recreational and commercial use, across the earth and usually been used as the main dish in every country, there is an agreement between various countries to only catch a certain limit of whitefish to avoid overfishing and to preserve its population. For more information, what are whitefish? Visit our website yourfishguide.com. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.